Alright everybody, it's Alan again, WeShipFloors.com. And let me just tell you, this video is not doing this justice. This is our new Gunstock SUPERCore. So it's Gunstock SUPERCore. It's got a beveled edge, 5 foot long, 7 inches wide, and I'm here to tell you, it looks as good, if not better, than any Gunstock solid flooring we have ever sold. It is absolutely amazing. I'm ordering more of it right now because we will not keep this in stock. And like I said, the video, for some reason, the video gives it a little bit more of a yellow hue. It's really not that. It's actually more of a saddle type cross between a saddle and a Gunstock. And I'm just here to tell you, it is beautiful. So, Gunstock SUPERCore from WeShipFloors.com. We're selling this for $2.99 a square foot. You heard it right, $2.99 a square foot. Look at that. You want something for people to walk in your house and swear that you have hardwood flooring? Well, this is it. You can find it, WeShipFloors.com. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.